Girls, don't forgive neither forget, just work to look the best version of yourself. Here are our suggestions for the day. Black and normal shaped eyeliners are outdated. What about this blue one with an interesting twist? And all you need is a hairpin to make your eyeliner look mathematically correct. We all like kisses, but don't like leaving traces behind. So here's how you make your lipstick become non-transferable. A bit of face powder is all you need. Tri-color eyeshadows are in trend right now, and one thing about trends is that we like to jump right into them. Black, red, and gold never looked so good. Mixing bronzer, blush, and highlight isn't rocket science. It falls into the category of girl math. Having fuller brows is something you can do at home without paying those extra bucks. And there are. Not just fuller brows, we are also here to show you how to get fuller lips. The lip combo and shape we all want. You want your eyeliner to match with your lip combo? A simple tape is all you need. Why buy eyeliner anyway, right? Ever wondered to see how your cool undertones would look? Here's how you can test it. Everything is blending out perfectly and her face is looking better than ever. Full glam look that we will definitely remember. Forget mascara, marker and tweezer will make your lashes look just perfect. Applying mascara doesn't have to make everything a mess, and the solution is as simple as a paper tissue.